Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So this particular video is again on ticker symbol BBIG, and I think almost each and every day I'm making a video on BBIG, and I think I will keep continue doing this because many of us we have been making money on this particular stock. At the same time, I want to give you an update. So if you are holding BBIG or if you are planning to enter, please follow my channel to get regular update on BBIG. Currently it is 5 p.m. and I'm recording this video a little early because I have to leave soon. So that is why just making a video on what is happening. So clearly BBIG was down today 12%, and it is okay because if you look at last 5 days run up, it had a nice run up. So it is okay to take a break, take some rest, then again volume can come, this thing can run again. So I'm going to talk about the chart on the bull and the bear both side, because I do not want to give you an impression that it will go to the moon something. I will also want to give you what is happening. Okay, so if you like this particular video, then definitely like this video, subscribe my channel. Also few other things, BBIG, I'm going to talk about it, but few other trades we do. So pre-market we had some nice alert when ticker symbol SPEV was running. So pre-market after the alert it went almost 40%. Also we are swinging UVXI because of the market volatility and a Fed meeting next week. We know UVXI will go up. So this is our swing trade. We are up almost 17%. Also another day trade today, almost 15% on ticker symbol RELI. And if you like this kind of day trading, swing trading, using the chart options, support, resistance, please join my Patreon so that you get access to my Discord for pre-market and market hour alert with the chart. We have only few seats remaining. Anyway, let's go back to BBIG. First of all, what important thing I want to notice that when it moved from $4, it opened next morning to 4.6. There is a big gap. So whenever there is a big gap and the support is broken, in general, stock tend to fill the gap. So what happened today? It filled the gap, came down, and again going back up. So this is a good thing because the gap has been filled, and now after filling the gap, this thing actually bouncing back. This is a good thing, but I also want to show you another pattern people call head and shoulder or bearish pattern. So anyway, but before that, let's look at few other things. In terms of volume, yes, still nice volume today. I think we got to 174 million volume today. Yesterday's volume was 287, so less volume today. It was coming down. Maybe that is why less people were interested joining the party. This is absolutely okay. If we had less volume, still 174 is not a small volume, don't forget that. If I look at Fintel, the current short interest is 22%, dark pool short volume ratio 57%. Currently there is no shares available to short. Also if I go down, almost 57, 55, 55, you can see lots of shares are being shorted each and every day. Also if I go shortablestock.com, same thing, 0 shares available to short, also 24.4% cost to borrow. So it's still 0 to shares, high interest, still nothing is over. If I look at the option chain activity, still you can see for the option expiring 21st, lots of options are waiting here. The only thing is $5 is now out of the money, but by Friday if we can go over $5, then these big numbers, 57,000, you see here 77,000, they will be in the money, they will be exercised. Same thing, last Friday we were just over $4 and lots of call option became in the money, and we saw from 4 we came to 6 today pre-market. So this is one important thing. Obviously if we can go over 6, then we will see more call option will be in the money. At the same time, I'm showing you the call option here. So look at the options here, not very expensive, just $23, $15. You can always try with this call option, or if you want, you can take 1 week after expiry date. You will have one more extra week. In that case, you have to pay $61 for a call option for 5 strike price. If I go down, still the call volume is way more than the put volume. You can see 31 versus 8. Okay, so let's go back to the chart. So I want to talk about the chart. So we had a resistance around 3.9. We made 3.9 or 3.8, let's say 3.9 as the new support. Then we jumped all the way. We tried to break 5.1. We couldn't. Then we are coming down, right? I'm just showing you the regular hour, but in the morning we hit 6. Just for the instant, I want to show that in the morning actually we hit $6. You see here. So we hit $6. Then we are coming down. So let's go back to the regular trading hour. So this is what happened, right? Then 5.4, 5.4, then we broke the support, came here. Then the two blue lines, these are the lines. I was on a downtrend and I was expecting to come this even more towards 3.9, but what happened? We had some support around $4, so it had a double bottom at 4. Then it broke the downtrend. Then it is going higher. So some people entered around 4, some people entered around 4.3 because it bounced here. 4.3 is still they are doing really good. Now I want to show you a few other things. So I'm gonna get rid of this because I explained what does it mean. So some people might also call this at head and shoulder. I'm not saying this is a perfect head and shoulder, but just want to show you why. So if you think this is a shoulder, this is the big head, right? And this is the other shoulder. If we can go over 4.5 or something, and if you see we are coming down, we come back to 4 or 3.9 support. If we can hold, this will be our neckline here. If somehow we break, we might come down. And why I'm talking this, because in my last video or a few other videos I also said stocks can run each and every day. So it has been running a lot, so it needs a pullback. It does not mean everything is destroyed. Good thing is the gap was filled. Now it has been going higher. It is taking some rest, so it is all good. I'm not saying it will come back, it will break through 3.9, it will come down, but this is good for a stock for having some green days, then a red day, some consolidation, then again a next pull, next leg towards upward. But I'm also showing this. Now let's look at our daily chart, and I want to show you RSI. You can see that on a daily chart the RSI is super hot. Anything over 70 is overbought, so we reach at 77, 78, so it makes sense to come down. Also, if you want to have a look at MACD, so have a look at MACD. You can also see the MACD, the blue line is over the orange line, and it's really good. So the buying pressure is still increasing. You can see when the buying pressure decrease on a daily scale, this thing fades. So still we are solid green. From a daily, if I go back to an hourly chart, maybe you will see that things are different, because on an hourly chart buying pressure has decreased, so the blue line crossed the orange line, more selling pressure. So these things different. So it can go either way. We have to watch which way it is going, right? This is the most important thing. It's not like it's just going. The important thing is, can it hold the $4 support area? This is the more important. 4 or let's say 3.85. As long we can hold, this is good. Or if we break 4.6 tomorrow, if we go higher towards $5 again, I would say again we are back to the action. We also need volume. Don't forget, we need volume to move this even higher. Anyway, just wanted to make it super quick, almost 9 minutes, because I love this stock a lot. So if you find this information useful, like this video, subscribe my channel, follow me on Twitter, share this particular video, join my community so that you get updated chart, pre-market and market hour, also with other stocks, so that we can all make some money together as a community, not trading alone, as a community. So thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.